Alright everybody, welcome back, and yeah, it's a little bonus. I did say that the cab can still combine, so here we are. Let's show that off. Here we have the same limbs we used for the Star Saber, the custom Star Saber, but I reversed them around. So yeah, just combine them as such. The two rooks and the two fireflies. There we go. We'll just say that they're drones for a super duty cab mode. Now you just add the gun there, and there you go. There's a cab in his robot mode or combined mode. Yes, there he is. And yeah, I've always been like a big fan of the way the rook shoulders form. Makes them look very any combiner, like, you know, they have like huge biceps and triceps, and yeah, just very all big arms, and very nice when it's like they're symmetrical like that, and then you have there the red legs. Another thing I don't like about the rook molds, this hole you see there, but it is what it is. You can, it's like get filler pieces to cover that, which I did with the jump starters. So I'll leave some links in that. It was I got them from Thingiverse. It's like someone named Far Out Designs or Far Out Allen. So yeah, that's something to consider. You can get them, but you'll have to like reverse them. Yeah. You can see the decal sets fills out the leg detail and changes some of the things on the right here. But overall, it's like it still looks like the Inferno combiner. Yeah. So yeah, here we have Super Duty Cab, and once again throwing in the other Headmaster Juniors. So combine your powers, and yep. Sort of a mini super mode of sorts. So that was a little bonus, and again, just something to consider. And like I said, I'll leave links for the other stuff in there, for some of the parts that I know it's like you can get. So yeah, have a good one everybody, till next time. Later, bye.